If you can recall this 2.5 engine that I fitted a few weeks ago, it didn't have an injector pump. The injector pump shaft was broken. Anyway, I tried a turbo diesel pump. Well, that wasn't very successful. It was a bit smoky. So I sent it away to see if they could fix it and make another pump out of 2, which they couldn't because a lot of the internal parts were different. So anyway, Jeff from New Hampshire saw my plight and sent me up a pump that was on his engine that he took out because he fitted a 300 TDI. I wonder why. Anyway, I got it on this morning because I got it on the other day and the injectors just arrived back from the shop this morning because we sent them away to get tested, and it starts. It goes lovely. Watch it won't start now. There's a key. No smoke, runs well. Except it leaks. Well, I thought it was leaking out of here, but in fact it's leaking out of the throttle shaft seal, which is a bit of a pain. You can probably just see down there where it's leaking. So, the idle speed's a bit low. I'm not really pleased about that. I'll set it, that's a bit better. But anyway, I'm going to have to take it off again. Strip all the front down, take it off and send it to get that shaft done, because it could be a bushing, it could be a seal, I'm not sure. But I just wanted to keep you posted that... Noisy thing, isn't it? I just want to keep you posted that we are on the right track with this thing. Yeah, that was a bit of a disappointment, but then again, we didn't know. We had no idea before we fitted it. So it's off to the pump shop. Now I hope that that can be repaired without stripping the whole pump. I would expect so. I'll give them a call at the pump shop today and find out, and we'll see. But the rest of it is working great. The injectors are good. There's no smoke. There's no smoke out the exhaust. If you remember, before it was bellowing smoke out. So the rest of it is perfect, but it's just leaking. All right. So we are trying to make this Land Rover better, but the patient has gone into recession or relapse or whatever. I don't know. All right. See ya.